And our stint on the Harrogate line will continue with its namesake station of Harrogate. And to kick things off, we will see 170 454 depart with the 12:35 Northern service of Leeds through to York. Next train out to depart is 158 870 with the 12:47 Northern service from York through to Leeds. Arriving next into the station is 170 459 with the 13:05 Northern service from Leeds through to York. Next train out to depart is 170 457, working the 13:17 Northern service of York through to Leeds. Next train out to depart will be 800 101, working the 13:36 LNER Azuma service through to London King's Cross. And coming in the opposite direction will be 170 472, working the 13:35 Northern service of Leeds through to York. And to take us onwards to our next station, here comes 170 478, working the 13:47 Northern service of York through to Leeds. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.